In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to include quoted text in your Outlook email. This simple process will ensure that when you reply to an email, the original message is clearly included, making it easier for both you and the recipient to follow the conversation. So, let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to open Microsoft Outlook. If you're using a computer, you can do this through your web browser or desktop application. Make sure you have a stable internet connection, as this will smooth your experience, especially if you're working from a browser. Once Outlook is open, you'll need to sign in. Look to the top right corner of the page where you'll find the sign in button. Click it and then proceed to enter your email address and password. If you don't have an account, you may want to sign up following their prompts, but that usually takes a little extra time, so let's assume your account is ready and waiting. Now, after signing in, you'll find yourself in your inbox. This is where all your received emails are stored. Look through your emails and select the message you want to reply to. If your inbox is crowded, utilizing the search bar can significantly speed this step up if you have a specific email in mind. Once the email is located and selected, head over to the option labeled Reply. You can usually find this in the menu near the top, or sometimes after clicking to open the email, it's visible at the bottom or side of the message. Upon clicking Reply, Outlook conveniently does part of the job for you. It automatically includes the original message in the email you're drafting. This message might appear indented or prefaced with a quote indicator such as a line or characters depending on your email settings. This is a handy feature that provides clarity when the recipient receives your response. Including the quoted text maintains the context of your conversation. Whether it's a simple chat with a friend or a more detailed work email, it's worth noting that if you prefer how the reply appears, you can adjust the settings in Outlook to change the way quoted text is formatted. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can make your email communication smoother and clearer. Ensuring that the original message is part of your reply keeps everyone on the same page, avoiding any potential misunderstandings. Before you send out your reply, don't forget to review everything for clarity and conciseness, ensuring that you've addressed all parts of the conversation. Thank you for tuning in today, and happy emailing.